Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter long wheelbase Commerce Plus. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 140 PS. Accompanying this is a 6-speed manual transmission. Finished here in the lovely Oyster silver colour, this example features daytime running lights, and across the front bumper we'll also find a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of the 16-inch steel wheels. This example comes with a set of full wheel trim covers as well. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a rear view reversing camera, and the vehicle also features a step in the rear bumper as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the barn doors that feature the 270-degree hinges and taking a look into the load area, there's a large amount of storage space in the back of the vehicle as well as a reinforced wooden flooring. Lashing rings line the load area floor, and access into the load area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding door option. Separating the load area from the cab is a full steel black bulkhead, and steps on the side along with yellow grab handles allow for easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front in the cab itself we'll find a total of 3 seats. The driver's seat features a singular armrest along with a twin-seater passenger bench next to this that also features some under-seat storage. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This includes DAB radio station access as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle. Throughout the rest of the cab area we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, and for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter long wheelbase Commerce Plus. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.